With an aim to popularize and promote the learning of science amongst the young mind, the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya, today organized a one-day science talent search program to popularize science program with the theme Scientific Milestone Celebration for School Eco Clubs. The program was inaugurated at Auxilium Higher Secondary School, North Thamai, Shillong. Speaking to DD News, Meghalaya Program Officer Scste Layamon Sidiengdo said that this program has two different types of activities, one being the Tinkering Science Project competition and the other is Scavenger Hunt competition.
So this program actually it's a program which is very exciting, should I say, because it deals with science, and we are an organization that promotes science in the state of Meghalaya. And today we have different various types of competitions based on these scientific events and milestones that, in one calendar year there are around 65 milestone celebrations. So we are working very hard for the popularization of science in our state.